time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, sit tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and unto them you shine bright.
Okay, so it's like 2 in the morning right now, and of course I'm still up, and I cannot concentrate too much because my brother is snoring so loud. I'm gonna try and see if I can't enter his room because he'll wake up, but I'm just gonna put the camera by the door and see if you guys can hear it. It's so loud. Hold on. I don't know if you can hear him, but I can hear him through my wall. That's ridiculous. I don't get it. Like, I swear I just want to cover his face with a pillow sometimes, but I know he'd be knocked out. So it's 3:41 in the morning, and I'm playing the Words with Friends little game. I was playing against Josh, and I had no words, and so then all I had was red. Like, that's the only thing I knew I had in my little word box at the bottom. So I thought I was just messing around. Like, I had nothing. I'm like trying to find a place, and I seen something. I was like, oh, this just looks funny. A red ox. So then, like, I put it in, like, red ox, I don't know how to pronounce it. And then it's like the color red, like how you spell the color red, and then ox, like the animal. And it's a word. Like, I'm confused. What is a red ox? A red ox, like a red ox. Like, that tripped me the heck out. Like, I was like, what the heck? It really, like, was crazy to me. I have no idea what the heck a red ox is. Josh, I got lucky. Very lucky. Very lucky. Good afternoon. How you guys doing? Right now, I'm getting ready to actually leave the house. I've had a pretty chill morning, and no class. It's Friday, of course. And my dogs. This is Hannah. Say hi, Hannah. Say hi, Hannah. Say hi. Sit down. Sit. You're gonna go sit down. Okay. Come here. Sit. Sit down, Hannah. Good girl. Say hi. You gonna give me the paw? What? If you don't get off the couch, dog, get my face. No, what? I didn't say nothing. Watch this, you guys. Watch this. If I say restroom, they're gonna get excited. You guys wanna go to the bathroom? Yeah? You wanna go outside? Okay, come on, let's go. Goodness. These dogs get overly excited. That's how my dogs are. They understand some words of the human form, shall you say. If I say bathroom or out back or bone or something, they know all the... If you don't move your big old nose, they know all those words. And then they get out here and they just run around. So it's like, go do something. You wanted to be out here, dogs. Sit down. Sit. Good girl. You gonna give him paw? Sit. Give him paw. What do you want? You want something. What do you want? I'm not giving you no treats. Roxy, sit down. That's Roxy right there. The brown dog is Roxy. And the black dog is Hannah.
These dogs are always bugging me. And then my door, so I don't close it at night. I just like close it to where there's a little crack. And these hard-headed dogs will come and jump on my bed in the middle of the night. They went outside for nothing. I don't get that.
I'm up, having some cereal, watching a movie. It's a pretty good movie. Let me know how many Harry Potter fans do we have? Watching that good Harry Potter, that new one comes out. The last one comes out in about 2 months. Yeah, about 2 months. Close to 2 months, the new one comes out. How many Harry Potter fans do we have that read the books? Did you read the books, or do you just watch the movies? Or have you done both? Excuse me. Or did you do both?
He's a perfect liberty to kiss whoever he likes. I really couldn't care less.
The bull, the BS word.
No. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So, chilling at Kelvin's house right now. Playing some Yala UD do Call of Duty.
Somebody else? Oh, Nate's in here too. Hey, Nate.
Look at him. If he's not texting or sexting, whatever you want to call it, just playing. But he's on for Words with Friends.
Oh, fuck.
Who are you playing against? Amanda?
Yeah, just kick my butt, man. I tried to keep within 100 points, and I told him I'm trying to keep within 100. I'm not going down my way with 100. I can't put it within anything.
In a little bit, we might go visit a friend of ours and then go say what's up to Ricky if Kelvin isn't too lazy.
So it's 6. I've had a very lazy day. Josh went out, not too sure where. But it's 6. We wouldn't think it was 6 if we looked outside because it's so sunny and everything now. And I'm watching like So Back MTV 2. Rob did that. Robin Babe. Comedy. But it's Go Skate Day in the show. But yeah, I'm about to just start editing the video. Today's been very lazy for me. Like, have you ever had those days where you do not want to do anything? Like, you wake up and you're already like, I want nothing to do. I want the day to end. Like, I don't know why I'm feeling like that. Like, ugh. I don't care for it.
That's what you wanted. No, we got it. I know.
I don't care for it.
Spurs in 6 games.
Woo!
99 to 91 win. Up next on ESPN.
Memphis Grizzlies beasted over the Spurs. I was going for the Grizzlies all day, baby. I like the Spurs, but I was going for the Grizzlies. It was the first time ever in franchise history that they made it to the second round. So all we really want now is for my Bulls to make all the way. Champ all the way. Rookie over here talking ish. Don't talk ish, alright? Don't get beat up. Lakers suck. Lakers suck.
Who's gonna stop Paul Gasol?
Paul Gasol sucks. What are you talking about? They've stopped Kobe. What was that game that Kobe had like 2 points by the third quarter? Yeah, but they didn't stop Kobe. Ooh, so where are we at? We are at Dennys. Kelvin is being 5 years old. His hands were wet. His hands were wet, and instead of like grabbing his napkin, he wiped it on the seat. 5 years old. And now he's playing Words with Friends, trying to figure out a word he could play against me.
No! I could have played this and I didn't think about it. I was putting it down. You're retarded.
You're talking to yourself now? He's talking to himself.
It's all good as long as I don't answer myself.
As long as you don't answer yourself? If you answer yourself, I'm going to sit at a different table by myself.